Hello and welcome to ChartMill. In this video I'm going to show you a rather neat feature in ChartMill that lets you screen for stocks in a very tight price range. So first let's go to the stock screener. Now the problem is when you select stocks in a very strong uptrend, for example when we select stocks using the Mark Minervini trend template, so that gives approximately 960 stocks, 64 exactly. A lot of those stocks are showing a very strong uptrend, and that's because there are specific requirements. So Mark Minervini uses the 50, the 150 and the 200 daily moving average, and there are also specific requirements regarding price in relation to the 52-week high and low. Now if you want to retain the stocks that are showing a specific tight price range, there are some possibilities, and in this video I'm going to show you one way that works quite well. So first of all, this is the Mark Minervini trend template, so all these stocks are in a confirmed uptrend. Next, go to the support and resistance tab, and we are going to use specific ChartMill channels. Now ChartMill Channels, go to the documentation center if you want to know more. Type in ChartMill Channels and then the magnifying glass. There is a specific article that was first published in Traders magazine. They were called Monest channels. It's already an article from 2011. So those channels are adaptive and optimized Dunkian channels. Those were the basics. It's a proprietary indicator that was developed by my colleague Dirk, also one of the co-founders of ChartMill. So if you want to know more, be sure to head over to the website and the documentation center where you can read this article. So back to our stock screener. So there is a support and resistance tab. There are a whole bunch of possibilities and filters, again in our documentation center under videos, number 9, using the support and resistance screening filters. Gives a lot more detailed information about all these different filters, but we are going to use specific the ChartMill channels, and to do so we are going to open up the drop down menu below the upper ChartMill channel. The first thing we are going to do is select the length, so I'm going to select the upper ChartMill channel length above 10. That means that the length of the channel has to be longer than 10 trading days, because these are daily charts. And then also the strength, defining the strength above 2. That means that price touch the upper ChartMill channel at least 2 times. And then we're going to do the same for the lower ChartMill channel, so the length above 10 and the strength above 2. So only 312 stocks remain. Next thing we're going to do is defining the width of the channel. So let's start with the channel width below 7%, and that gives us 93 results. And as you can see, the price is consolidating in most charts. So now we are going to visualize the ChartMill channels. Open the chart settings, click on the plus sign, and then add the overlay. ChartMill channels are an overlay, it's not an indicator. ChartMill channels, and now the channels are visualized. So these are not like Junkin channels where you have to identify yourself the period. No, these are optimized by ChartMill itself. So the software itself calculates these channels. There are some specific stocks like Simabay, and there is another one as I talked, AMAM. Just add a specific volatility filter. So open the technical analysis indicators tab and open the drop down menu below volatility. Average daily range has to be above 1. So that leaves us with 75 results. Those are all stocks in a pretty tight price range. If I may say so myself, that's a very neat feature. And the beauty is, of course, then now you can add specific growth or profitability filters like earnings per share growth on a quarter-to-quarter base, year-to-year profitability filters. You can add them, and that makes ChartMill one of the more versatile stock screeners out there. So this is a specific way to narrow down to stocks with a very tight price range. Try it for yourself, I would say. If you have any other questions regarding these support and resistance levels or any other feature in ChartMill, be sure to let me know in the comments below this video and we will give you an answer. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I see you soon.